I always feel very happy because this Handicrafts Corporation is a small corporation, but it's doing extremely well. As a Minister for Industries, I feel very proud that Andhra Pradesh is virtually the birthplace of very beautiful handicrafts. We are famous for our silver filigree work, for our Kondapalli toys, for our Bobili Veenas, the Pemberthi brass works, you name it. And we are also famous for our textiles, our saris, like the Pochimpalli, which is patented, our Banjara mirror work, and of course our Uppada saris, Gadwal saris, you name it. We are there in everything, in textiles and handicrafts. And this is always conducted all across the country by the Handicrafts Corporation. So far, I think we've done about 85 such exhibitions all across crafts melas. It not only showcases the handicrafts from Andhra Pradesh, but you also encourage from all across the country. Like just now we saw this lady from West Bengal. So it's a nice amalgamation under one roof that the consumer, the ladies mainly, they can come under one roof and buy whatever they like. Nowadays everyone wants to have their house well decorated. So you have a lot of beautiful handicrafts. Our Nirmal paintings are very famous. The Nirmal furniture is also very famous, which is right behind me. There's so much to see and to buy from here. And the other thing is we are starting few more, 5 more actually, Lepakshi showrooms, because it is becoming such a need and demand. So we are going on. This is one little corporation which is running on profits for the last 10-12 years. It gives dividends to Government of Andhra Pradesh and Government of India. The main thing here is, by encouraging the artisans, we are cutting away the middlemen. So they lose all the effort is lost only because of the middlemen. So here they are getting it directly. So one is to cut away one is to encourage the artisans. Second is to take away the middlemen problems, and also to take care of them and encourage them by giving them awards. We also take care of the old age artisans and give them pensions of 500 rupees. So we are doing extremely well. We are just waiting for land from these collectors. I know that the Medak collector, I represent Medak politically. So Medak collector has already given them land. It requires only 1,000 square yards. I personally have got in touch with the collectors of the other regions. As soon as they give us the land, our construction will begin, because the Lepakshi Handicrafts Corporation has its funding already done. So the sooner they give it, better we start. So there are showrooms. See, we have Lepakshi showroom here. If you go towards Bashir Bagh, we have a huge showroom. And one showroom is coming up in Banjara Hills. There's one showroom coming up in Paryatak Bhavan. We have showrooms not only here but in Delhi, Calcutta also. So this is a showroom. It's not a crafts mela. Melas are conducted here and all across. But what we are opening is a permanent showroom, a shop.